This is Foodie Friday.
Foodie Friday.
Yum.
Yeah.
Good morning, roadies. Today is another Foodie Friday, and today we will be sharing my creamy coconut shrimp sauce. However, if you don't like shrimp, it works great on chicken as well. But I'll also be telling you that this is a recipe that I use that does not have the mayonnaise that some recipes do, and it has very little sugar in it. But I don't use white sugar, I use my alternative sugars, and I have used coconut sugar in the past, and I have used monk fruit. Today I will be using what this is called is Lucuma Powder. I guess that's how you pronounce it, that's how I do. And it seems to act really well as well. And so far the family seems to like it when I use this powder, so we're going to try it in my shrimp sauce. It is very creamy, and the longer it sits and cools after you're done cooking it, the thicker it gets. And so that's something to remember, that if you feel like it's too runny still after you're done cooking it, just wait a few minutes, just turn off the heat and let it sit for just a couple minutes, and it thickens up as it sits there. And so enjoy it, and I hope you have a great weekend, and you be safe out there, and Summer has something to say.
Like
Subscribe, that's right. And to remember to always take the scenic route. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Yeah.